lifestyle, and today we are back at the York Manor making for you a fun, easy summer hummus recipe. And as you can see, I am wearing a No Kid Hungry apron today as we are spotlighting this organization for the difference that they make in our nation. No Kid Hungry is committed to feeding all of the children and making sure that they have access to nutritional meals so that they are fed and nourished and they're set up to succeed that way. So if you're looking to make a donation to a good organization, consider No Kid Hungry. They're one of my favorites. So in order to make our hummus, we have garbanzo beans, we have tahini, we have olive oil, garlic, salt, fresh thyme, lemons, and the paprika we use at the end. These are our tools. We have just measuring spoons, and I have the sieve handy so that we won't get lemon seeds in our hummus. And then this is a lavash bread that I use normally to serve it. You can use anything from pita chips to tortilla chips to pita bread to naan, whatever lights you up. All of our ingredients today are from Trader Joe's, so it makes your grocery run very easy. And they actually have great products, and all of these guys are organic. Okay, so let's put together our hummus. So we're gonna take our already rinsed garbanzo beans, and this is, okay, no brain science at all, you guys. This is, you take fresh thyme, which I've already pre-washed, and the easiest way to get these guys off of their sprig is you do this. So easy. You don't have to chop this. You can do, I normally use, I don't know, maybe 5 sprigs. You could use as little or as much as you want. This is also an opportunity to throw in other kinds of herbs if you have them. And I'm doing a basic hummus today only because this is kind of the base for any flavored hummus. You know, there's a lot of stores that sell pre-made hummuses, and the great thing about making your own hummus is that you're using organic ingredients, so you get to control that, you get to control the salt, and you get to control not having any preservatives. So you can use, the normal recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic, and I like things extremely garlicky, and so I'm living on the wild side. I'm going to use 3 cloves of garlic. So dump that in there. And this is the easiest way to get the skin off of garlic. How's that for a hack? Okay, so you've gotten all of your ingredients in, and normally the recipe calls for about a cup of olive oil, but what I actually like to do is, oh, I forgot my lemon. What I actually like to do is I stream in the olive oil, and if a lot of people get really funny about using a lot of olive oil, so here's another little trick, which by the way, I am gonna use, I'm using this little sieve to catch any of my seeds. The lemon is to taste. You just wanna bring some acidity into the hummus. I normally do half of a lemon. If I taste it later and decide that I need a little bit more lemon, then we'll just add more. So I just wanna have that because when I'm streaming the hummus, I actually want to be able to kind of just gauge it. So this is an already opened tahini. I didn't want to open the new guy. I always keep this in the refrigerator because you just never know, you know, when you're having company over. This is all pantry stuff. So it's about a tablespoon of tahini. Some people like a lot of tahini. I prefer to kind of go easy on it. Okay, so I put in all of my components. Now, this is gonna make a little bit of noise, so stand by. Okay, so this is where you're going to start pulsing, and I turn it on, and then I start streaming the olive oil in. So you wanna if you wanna make sure that you're not overdoing it with the olive oil, take a measuring cup and start with half a cup. That this is coming together, and I want to pulse it a little bit, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water because I don't like to go heavy-handed on the olive oil, and this actually makes it really fluffy. Okay, now before we continue, we want to season. I'm going to take my kosher salt. And I think I am gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit more, just to be on the safe side. I really like that acidity to shine through. It just makes it brighter. Okay, I also want to scrape the side here because we had some of our, yep, the consistency is actually great, you guys. There you have it. This is the hummus that you pay a lot of money for at the restaurant. So you want to put it in a pretty bowl to serve it. It still has a little bit, so I like to make a little welt. And then I put in a little bit of olive oil, right? And then you take your paprika and you just kind of sprinkle a little bit in there. And look at how pretty that is. All of your guests will totally be impressed. And you serve it, you can use raw vegetables, you can use any kind of flatbread, you can use a naan, you can use pita bread, pita chips, tortilla chips, whatever you want. And this is literally our organic, homemade, easy peasy recipe for hummus. So good.